Hello, you're very welcome to Gerry's DIY. Did you ever wonder how to make an 8-foot boom sprayer? Well, we're going to start it right now. Here we go. Okay, so I'm here with my brother-in-law, Jamie. Say hello, Jamie.
Hello, everyone.
Okay, and this is Jamie's place, Jamie's gears, but we're going to make an 8-foot long 7-jet boom sprayer. So Jamie, what do we need to do this?
We need to get this, and we need to throw it away because I have got a pain in my
Hole.
spraying 3.5 acres with this, trying to get weed killer. So this boom sprayer is going to save me a lot of time. We're using 3/8 inch PVC reinforced mill or PVC reinforced hose.
Yeah.
It's 2 mil diameter, so it's good heavy hose.
Durable, yeah.
Yeah, it's good durable, pressure resistant hose.
Very good.
We're going to use a $15 just a pressure pump. It's a little diaphragm pressure pump.
I've actually used these before, Jamie, in a pressure testing system I do for plumbing. But yeah,
that's excellent.
Exactly the same machine, yeah. And the jets and the T-pieces and elbows, Jamie. Where did you get them?
These I got from eBay, and these I got from eBay.
Cheap.
They're absolutely 10 of these for 99 cents. 10 for 99 cents.
They can't make them for that, surely. Okay, I'll just show that.
Yeah.
So there's the jet. Comes with the T-piece, if you can see it. And that goes into the bottom. You modified that though, Jamie?
Yeah, so that's what the original one looks like, if you want to show that one.
Okay, so don't know if you can see that. It's got wings on it. You cut those wings off, Jamie?
I cut those wings off.
And they go totally round then once he's done that. Okay, so these are crimp clips, and we're going to use those on the hose.
So that hose goes in there.
Yeah.
Our T-piece goes into there. Okay.
It's plenty tight anyway.
Yeah, it's tight. We'll drop another one down this side. So basically to put these on, we put the clip on, we push the pipe on. So the pipe is now on with the T-piece. Get our crimp. And we literally just squeeze both sides of the pipe and the clip. And that's it now.
So just keep it back a little bit off the end. That's it, couldn't be easier. So I'm correct now if this is all out of focus. Earlier in the day when it wasn't so cold, these might have went on a bit easier.
Probably would have done. Hang on.
See the farmers going around with them on the back of the quad.
Yeah. But the quad sprayers tend to be quite expensive.
Well, they have a little tank. I don't know what the whole setup costs, but it's essentially this, isn't it?
Yeah. Just get that one there.
Well, we're down to about 7 degrees here at the moment, 6 or 7 degrees, so it's getting quite cold. But essentially that's it. We've done it in just a few minutes. It's going to get fed in the centre by this little pump. This is a little caravan pump. Yeah, this is 4.6 litres per minute, 12 volts, 3.5 amps, and 60 psi, I think. No, 80 psi. So they're a great little pump. I have one of these on a pressure test system that I made up. It's in some of my other videos. Maybe I'll link it there somewhere. But look, this is very good. We don't have the nozzles on it yet. We're going to have the nozzles on it in just a few minutes, and a few cable ties to hold the tubing in place. This is going to go on the back of this Jamie's Honda ride-on lawnmower. I actually have one very similar to that myself, and you know, he's got 3 acres of space here, 3 acres of grass and various other bits and pieces, and it's handy just to put this on the back of the ride-on or the tractor mower and go off and just you know, do what he needs to do. Battery exhausted. Oh shit though. Alright, so off camera we've put this thing together. So we've got our 7 little nozzles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 nozzles across 8 feet. It's going on some 3/8 hose up to a little caravan 12 or 24 volt little pump, and then down into a 5-gallon drum. And we've got some water dripping out of it. We haven't actually fired it up yet. We've just primed it because we're almost out of battery for the camera. So, okay, Jamie, let her rip.
Let's see what happens.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have...
we have something happening.
No, we've got a good mist going here.
Okay, yeah.
Is that not crimp?
No, it's, yeah, it's... It's pissing out it. 2 of them. This one as well. It's not getting as far. 3.
Okay.
4. Okay, so we need to tighten up on the crimps on these. So we're just all over it now.
I think they're the ones you did, Jerry.
No, I did this end. It's possible. I don't know.
Yeah, that one wasn't actually crimped at all, or it was. No, it wasn't.
Oh, you forgot that one. So Jamie forgot that one.
Yes, indeed. A bad workman always blames somebody else.
It wasn't me, boss.
It was like that when I got it.
Okay, take 2.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
That's good, yeah. Okay, I'll get the GoPro in closer, it's easier to do. It's waterproof as well. Just so you can see what's going on there. I'm not sure it's bright enough anymore. Okay, and we've set it like that. There's the setup with the pump. Okay, so there you go, very successful $25, $20 boom, 7-jet boom sprayer. We've got a 12-volt Caravan, water pump, diaphragm water pump. We've got some 3/8 hose, some nozzles, from China, bought on eBay, and some crimps. So all in all, about 20, 25 euro. Yeah. Anyway, and the 5-gallon drum, free. This is Jamie's one. I'm going to make one for myself. I might make a 4-jet one for my place. Jamie has acres here. I've only got about 3/4 of an acre. So look, we're going to leave it there for now. Jamie, thanks very much for all the help.
Likewise.
Amazing setup. Cool. And so if you like the video, I say it all the time, please thumbs up, subscribe down here. Check out Jamie's channel. And what is it?
Campervan Creations.
Campervan Creations. Right, they're in YouTube. I'll put a link in the description below. Look, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now. Good luck. That's it. Well done, Jamie.